Welcome to TechList. You're watching the unboxing of a budget-friendly power bank right now. The Hammer Ultra Charge. It packs 10,000 milliamp hours and blazing 22.5 watts power with 20 WPD fast charging. It features 3 outputs and dual inputs. On the left side, flipping it shows the ports, indicator lights, and power button. Go ahead and pause here if you want to dive deep into the specifications. Here is the secondary box, detailing warranty and registration. Manual QR code on back. Let's check out everything in the box. First out of the box is the power bank itself. And a charging cable. And this is the USB-A to USB-C type cable. The USB cable is about 1 foot long. The power bank displays the branding across its textured body. Standard plastic construction, but well finished. Connectivity ports, power button on side. Let's check. These LED lights indicate 75% charge remaining. Backside includes battery capacity and port specifications. Let's try charging the battery using the USB-C port. A blinking LED shows the battery is being charged. Let's test the output power delivery of the USB-A ports. I am using the 5-watt Amazon Basics mini video light. If you want a review of this light, comment below. Now, let's test the second USB-A port at the same time. Now, let's test the fast charging capability using a compatible smartphone. Fast charging works as expected. In summary, at a price point of around 700 rupees, this product offers excellent value. I hope this video provided all the necessary information, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thank you for watching this video. Support us by like, comment, and subscribe TechList for more videos.